Sugar might be harming more than you think, even if you are non-diabetic.
Daily sugar adds hidden calories, spikes blood sugar, and drains your energy for everyone.
Here's the good news. Introducing Fitnativ Daily Sweet, guilt-free sweetness naturally, clinically tested and doctor-formulated, safe for people managing diabetes.
0 calories, 0 blood sugar impact, naturally derived.
Made with monk fruit and erythritol, it tastes just like sugar, but smarter.
Sweeten your day without compromise. Fitnativ Daily Sweet, sweetness reimagined. Safe for everyone, including diabetics.
Available now. Make the smart switch.